Getting started in Lumio, you have a couple options to create a new lesson. One, I can select New, or two, I can use the Import feature. This Import feature will use any existing PDF, PowerPoint, or notebook file you already have. Simply select it and choose from your computer. I'm going to grab this PDF that I've downloaded from Wonders. Once I select the file, I simply choose Open, and you can see that it imports either my PowerPoint or my PDF directly into my Lumio. I select the slides that I want to add and click Add. Now that I've added it, you can see that it'll input the slide directly into my Lumio. Now that I have a resource to start building my presentation on, I can click the plus button here in the bottom left and add more resources to it. So maybe I have another PDF or a portion of a PowerPoint that I want to add. I can pull it from my computer as I've done with the previous slide. Let's try adding another PDF. I simply select what I need and choose Open. This article would then be put right below my previous slide. If I accidentally select something I don't want, I simply cancel the import. You can see that there are many options to include in my presentation, such as YouTube videos or interactive simulations, shout-out activities, or other ready-made resources here at the bottom. To find something pre-made, I can search the Lumio library. To use the library, simply click in this box and then type the name of whatever resource or class that you want to search. Let's try physical education. Here you can see it's provided me with a lot of materials that are already made, created by teachers or Smart Notebook, that I can input right into my presentation. Select what I want and click Save to my session. Now it will import that material right into my slide. And there we have it, a ready-made presentation with an activity built right in. If I want to delete the activity, I simply click the three dots and click Delete Page. When I'm finished editing my presentation, I come up to the top left and click Finish Editing. Now my presentation is listed under Recents. If I wanted to create from New, I select New, and it brings up a very familiar resource box. Here I can import my resources from my computer, as I've done previously, selecting my OneDrive and the materials I want to add.